Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jira to Figma for design system tickets step by step clearly. To connect Jira to Figma for design system tickets, start by opening your Jira account. Navigate to the project where you want to create the connection. In the project sidebar, find the project settings option and click on it. Look for integrations within the project settings. Select Figma from the list of available integrations. You may need to install the Figma integration if it's not already enabled. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between Jira and Figma. Log into your Figma account when prompted to grant access. After successful login, return to your Jira project. Now, create a new issue in Jira for your design system ticket. Fill in the necessary fields, such as the ticket title and description. In the issue details, look for the Figma integration section. Click on Link Figma File. A window will appear for you to input your Figma file URL. To find the Figma file URL, open your Figma design system file. Copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Return to the Jira ticket and paste the Figma file URL in the designated field. Optionally, add any relevant comments or attachments to the ticket. Once finished, click the Create button to save your ticket. Your Jira issue is now connected to your Figma design system file. This connection allows for easy access and updates between the two platforms. Now, whenever changes are made in Figma, you can link them to the corresponding Jira ticket. Track progress effectively by referencing the design directly from your Jira issue. This integration streamlines your workflow by keeping design and task management in sync. You have successfully connected Jira to Figma for design system tickets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.